Dear friends, in this video, I would like to teach you the seventh exercise in lesson 4. Construisez des phrases pendant l'exemple. Construct the sentences as given in the example. So we are supposed to analyze the example. Check out. Meena, name of the person, that's going to be a subject. Se couper toi. Se couper is the verb to cut. Elle is the pronoun, subject pronoun of Mira. Second verb, mettre. Check out what they done. See, Mina dash se couper have to fill in conjugated in imperfect tense. That is new form of the present tense. You have to remove ons and according to the ending you have to write. And mettre is conjugated in conditional tense. According to the subject as given, you must conjugate. And another thing, the sentence start with C and the first verb is in imperfect and second verb should be in conditional tense. In exercise number 6, we have a first verb as être, which was in imperfect, and second verb is given there. Here, in this seventh exercise, they are given both the verb, first one and the second one. So what you have to do, the first verb you must conjugate it in imperfect and second verb you must conjugate it in conditional. Okay, given there and should be placed in after al, that is in conditional tense. Okay, now see first sentence. Je sais sentir mal, j'ai allé chez le médecin. I to feel sick, I to go to the doctor's place. If you are going to see the same model of the example, you must write here. Okay, so start with the C and je is the subject is given there. And first verb is in reflexive form, say swantir, and that should be you has to write in imperfect. And second verb is given there alle, that should be in conditional. So say swatir imperfect, how will get the imperfect stem? Go to the new form of the present tense and remove ons. You will get an imperfect stem. And here, je is the subject and reflexive verb pronoun is me and imperfect stem is sentir is sent. According to the ending, subject is je, imperfect ending is ais. Here the verb aller should be in condition. So future stem of conditional tense is aller should be ir and subject is je, imperfect ending or sorry conditional ending is ais. If you are not sure how to conjugate the verb in imperfect, go and check my previous video, that is grammar video I done there. So I said to verify many times. You must verify that again and again, then only you can easily conjugate all the sentence, all the verb. Okay, so in conditional and imperfect, both the endings are same. You must concentrate the present tense new form and you will get the stem for imperfect, and the conditional for is very easy. Ending you can check er, ir, re. If I is not feeling well, I would go to the doctor's place. Si je me sentais mal, j'irai chez la médecin. Number 2. Il sortir sous la pluie, il apprend à rhume. He go out in the rain, he to get the cold. Now the sentence should start with C, that is SI, and il is the subject, so you will get a S apostrophe because it started in vowel. And first verb sortir should be in imperfect and apprendre should be in condition. And sortir, how will get a imperfect stem, no form of the present tense, and remove ONS, and you will get the stem SORT, and according to the subject il, you can write the ending AIT. And next one, apprendre should be in condition tense, and that is not a irregular things, so you can write the whole thing as it is. Infinitive form you can write as it is. According to the subject you can write the ending. IL is the subject, so conditional ending is AIT. Okay. Si sorte sous la pluie, il apprendrait à rhume. If he would go out the rain, he would get a cold. Number 3. Nous allons prier nous c'est faire mal un prix. Aller pieds nus, to go barefoot, and nous c'est faire mal, to feel the pain. Here the subject is nous, both the subject is same. C'est faire is the reflexive verb, you can conjugate in reflexive form. Here same model like in the example SI you can start, and we were going on the barefoot or legs or feet or pain. If aller should be in imperfect and safer should be in condition. How you will get an imperfect stem of alle? No form of the present tense of alle, remove ONS, and you will get the stem ALL is the stem, and according to the new form of the subject you can write the ending imperfect ending IONS. And safer is the reflexive verb, so reflexive of pronoun of nu, if reflexive verb is again one more nu you have to write, and fair you can write a stem because it is a irregular future things. You can get a stem as FER, and NOUS is the conditional ending. Okay, according to the subject you can write the conditional ending. Si nous allions finir, nous ferions mal à pied. Fourth one, tu avoir mal à la tête, tu prépares prendre des comprimés d'asper. You to have a sick or headache, you to take some aspirin tablets. Your sentence should start with SI, and your subject is tu for both the verbs. And first verb avoir should be in imperfect, and second verb prendre should be in condition. Avoir, imperfect stem of avoir, new form of the present tense, and remove ONS, and according to the TUI you can add the ending AIS. Okay, stem plus ending, and get TUI away. Second verb prendre should be in conditional. You don't have, it is the irregular future stems of conditional stems prendre, and rule is, remember, you ends with RE, remove E, you will get the stem. You will get the stem, and according to the subject, TUI is the subject, you can write the ending is AIS. Like this you can write. Okay. It is very easy, ma. Take care. Thank you. And this exercise is very important also. It is a repeated question for your exam. Okay. Revise it.